Hey everyone and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm gonna be doing a spring night routine. I feel like it's been a while since I've done one of these, so I just thought I would do an updated one for the springtime. I just thought I would take you guys along throughout my night. I'm gonna be cooking, doing some skincare, a little bit of cleaning. I feel like my night routine is a mix of productive and relaxing. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely thumbs up if you'd like to see more routine videos on my channel, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Comment below the best part of your night routine. Let's just get into the video. So the first thing in my night routine is just kind of like finish up what I'm working on. Usually once my laptop closes, that is when my night routine begins. I like to kind of start off my night routine by doing a little bit of cleaning, just kind of picking up my workspace. I feel like my desk can get really messy throughout the day, or if I'm filming, my room can get really messy, especially if I'm filming a haul or an outfit video. So I just kind of like to clean up my space from the day. Then I will begin dinner. That way I'm not starting off my day with a mess tomorrow. I don't have to do it right before I go to bed if I have a bunch of clothes in my bed. In this case, my desk. I feel like my apartment is relatively clean right now, but sometimes I like to just kind of pick up my apartment. If I have a bunch of stuff in my kitchen, I'll just do like a quick clean. It is now time for dinner. I have something super exciting planned. I'm making something from HelloFresh, and thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited. I absolutely love HelloFresh. They are one of my favorites, and their meals are just so good. They're so easy. I literally love them. Like, I love them so much. They're one of my family's favorites as well. I have 3 different meals to choose from. I haven't quite decided which one I'm gonna make yet. I'm so hungry, so let's just get started. Here are the different meals that I got. They all look so good. I cannot decide. I think I'm gonna go with this one. With HelloFresh, you get fresh, pre-portioned ingredients delivered right to your door. It makes cooking at home easy, fun, and delicious. If you're sick of the same recipes and need a spring refresh, HelloFresh is perfect. You can try something new, take your taste buds on a trip, and explore different global flavors from your dinner table with HelloFresh. It's literally so good. I feel like every HelloFresh meal becomes my new favorite. My family loves it. My sister and her roommate love it. If you haven't tried a HelloFresh meal, you definitely should, so you can see why everybody loves it. HelloFresh Market means you've got a one-stop shop for all meal and snack occasions with items like focaccia pizzas, satisfying sides, and delicious desserts. HelloFresh recipes feature produce that goes from the farm to your front door in under a week, which means their spring menu features the season's freshest flavors. One of my favorite meals of all time is the Juicy Lucy burgers from HelloFresh. They are so good, and I always tell people about them. There's just so many good recipes, and it's also so easy and convenient. HelloFresh saves time, money, and stress. The step-by-step recipes are super easy to follow, and the pre-portioned ingredients help cut out prep time so I can have more time to get outside this spring. With HelloFresh, it's super easy to adjust your plan and increase your order size to help with meal planning for large groups or to have leftovers for lunch the next day, which I personally love. HelloFresh offers veggie, pescatarian, and fit and wholesome meals to make it easy to stick to your goals. One of my favorite things is that you get just the right amount of food, so HelloFresh cuts down on your food waste by at least 25% compared to grocery shopping. I hate throwing out food when I buy something specific for a recipe and then I don't use it again, so you don't have to worry about that with HelloFresh. It really saves time on planning and prepping and grocery shopping. I literally hate going to the grocery store, so HelloFresh is perfect. You can make meals that are easy and delicious. It's literally the best of everything. I actually do have a discount code, so if you want to check it out for yourself, go to hellofresh.com and use code EmilyGrace16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. Once again, that is hellofresh.com, and use code EmilyGrace16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. I'll have that here on the screen, and I'll have it linked below, so you can just click the link at the very top of my description. Here is the finished meal. I feel like it looks really close to the picture. I'm really excited to taste it. Like, I'm literally so hungry. Let's taste it. It's really good. The chicken's good, the potato's good, the carrots are good. Definitely a 10 out of 10. It's really good. I would definitely recommend. I've never had a HelloFresh meal that disappoints. I'm just gonna finish the rest of my meal. I am so full. That dinner was so good. I think I'm just going to get comfortable, change into some sweatpants. So it is a little bit later. I just changed into some sweats, something a bit more comfortable. This is like the main part of my night routine. I'm literally just scrolling on my phone. I like try to take my makeup off early in the night and not like wait until once I'm like really tired. Right now, I'm just relaxing, scrolling on my phone. I usually like take some time in the night to kind of like plan out my day for the next day. I kind of have been looking at screens all day today, so I feel like my eyes are actually really tired. I need to like put some blue light glasses on, or maybe I need to like read a book instead of watching TV. I'm definitely gonna be watching TV. I like to just like type up a brief like to-do list on my notes app. Sometimes I like to time block it, like just kind of have an idea of like what time I want to get each task done by. That way I can just wake up in the morning and have a general plan for my day. Most nights after I eat dinner, I usually just sit on the couch and watch TV. Now I'm just going to take my makeup off and actually get ready for bed. I'm just going to do a little skincare. I like to use this eye makeup remover to actually remove my eye makeup, and then I go in with this Clinique foaming cleanser to remove and cleanse my face makeup. And then I like to use a Glossier serum. Right now I'm really liking the Super Pure because I have a few breakouts. Sometimes I like the Super Glow if I want like a glowy look. And then I like to moisturize with my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel, or sometimes I'll just do my Glossier, I literally forgot what this is called, Priming Moisturizing Balance. This is just like really lightweight, it's kind of like a gel. And sometimes I will go in with this Isle of Paradise tanning mist if I want to wake up with a little glow, a little bit of a tan on my face. So sometimes I will spray a little bit of this on, or I'll use the drops if I want something a little bit more. I'm just going to do all of that. Feeling really fresh and clean. My makeup is off, contacts out, glasses on, teeth brushed. I love these new glasses. I'll link them below. They are from a local brand here in Kansas City, and I actually do have a discount code with them, so I will have that below in the description. I'm pretty much ready for bed. I just read a little bit of the 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think. I just read like a little bit of that. I'm trying to get more into the habit of like reading before bed rather than scrolling on my phone. Not very good at doing that because I still scroll on my phone, but I feel like that's just like a nice relaxing thing, and I feel like reading kind of makes you sleepy rather than like the blue light. I think that is everything that I typically do in my night routine. I'm actually really tired, so I think I'm just going to go to bed. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26, and comment below the best part of your night routine. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.